Recording. Recording. Mounted. Wi-Fi connected.
We gotta bust the window out.
2.
Send us some more units.
Do you want me to grab my med kit?
Now!
Radio, we got at least 2 occupants in here. Door's closed.
Recording. Mounted. Wi-Fi connected.
Oh my God. I'm 3 guys. Radio,
3 occupants.
No one's
conscious.
No one's breathing.
Okay.
Bust that window out. Oh my God, dude. Who can hear my voice?
Who's in here?
Drivers,
Radio, driver breathing, unconscious.
I copy.
Radio, they're gonna need full extraction on all 3.
Come here.
Revive.
Let him call it in.
Radio, plates John, Ida, Boy 3692.
Holy shit, man. Hey.
You need a knife?
I copy.
You need a knife? Here.
This is bad, guys.
Here's the knife.
She's alive. We got to get her out somehow.
All right.
Reach up, Mama.
Hold on, watch your.
Dog 18 blast fired to Natalie Shirilla of the hospital.
Here, cut that out.
Sarge, we're good to try to get her out? Oh, dude, I don't know if we can.
No.
Oh my God. You see her, she's breathing. Head spot. Let's see if we can get some IDs, guys.
Reporting for her.
That was the other unit.
We got backpack over
Can you find a younger female in that residence with Shirilla?
We got 2 that are gone.
Yeah, they're both.
Towards the end of black traffic, north on Alameda. Advise fire. That's our driver's breathing, unconscious, wedged.
Be advised.
The last thing you expect to see.
Fucking.
How do you find a track, guys?
I wonder how long they've,
Yeah.
right there. You can see it. Smashed right through the sign.
Yeah, I came through here. Nothing here. Here.
17-year-old female Mackenzie.
Okay, that might be the driver.
Do you want me to look through here?
Talking?
Yeah.
Talking?
Yeah.
She's talking a little bit. Advise fire to step it up.
Okay.
Mike, there's nothing out. I checked.
Talking to them.
Grab your med kit.
It's back in the car. Yeah, it's over there. I'll grab it.
Split in half and get in the building.
Going to shut down that bus lane. Yeah, that's fine. No.
You want me to move mine?
We're going to line the street. Nothing get by, set that middle. Driver, 17-year-old female, still breathing, wedged in there. Two are could be deal with. They're all done. Yeah. 24 hours. Light flight has to come. We'll help set up a perimeter for it.
Right.
Okay? He'll guide us. Yep. Open. We want the driver out. She's still breathing, fellas. 17-year-old female. We think. Most likely.
Get the probably.
All right. I mean, check those other two. They might be, but the one guy's definitely. Yeah.
You got that? Get the ram thing. That yellow one.
The last thing
Yeah, go ahead. Give me the door.
Keep hanging on to that.
Yeah, I got this door.
Actually, give me a cut here. Give me a second cut here. Chunks. Goggles on, Ben.
This is your key. Hold on to it. It's yours, right?
Yes.
Throw your top on it.
Two chunks like a V.
Driver.
I'll do like this. Yep. Ben, go. Go on, down your butt.
Not more?
No, you're good. You're good.
Whoops, there goes.
We don't know.
We were talking.
I'm gonna put you good in there, so.
Is anyone on station from day shift?
Grab cribbing, spreaders, that sill plate.
Yeah, watch your hands.
Yeah. Trying to find out.
No, I can't. Because underneath him. No, I need a underneath the dash. Pull out? Yeah. You can make that. No. You got what? Hey, her head's under the dash strip. Can't see her leg. Start on the This guy might come out and he's pretty good about that. You got the infection kit over here?
If they have one available, yes.
You need something?
He's getting an extension for this. Her head underneath the very middle of the dash, like deep in there.
Yeah.
Go for go, 4.
So there's a second one going, I'll come back with the ETA.
Easy.
So, worked out.
Easy. That's the tip noises. It's normal. Oh, okay. We're good.
Go for go, 4.
Messages left for both deputy chiefs and how many come back?
Your camera's on, right?
Yeah.
Recording. Mounted. Wi-Fi disconnected.
No, they're still. Yeah. All 3? I heard 2 of them.
One's confirmed.
They said they may have found the one.
Father, keep talking to me.
Alright.
Stay still, don't move, okay?
Make sure it doesn't fuck your knee.
Yeah.
Let's go straight up.
I've never seen on display. This is like 120 plus. 100 plus. Oh yeah.
That's Mackenzie.
I can't believe this thing was that fired.
I just can't believe she's been here this long.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, when you're coming there, you can barely see it from the side.
You wouldn't be able to see
You
at
can't
night.
barely see it.
Right.
And how the person just called and kept going, I'll never know. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
that
see
car was
that.
really bad.
Yeah.
They probably were like, yeah, I don't want to look
here
at it.
too.
I need to get IDs and all of this.
I couldn't find the bag at all. Hey, it might be underneath the influence.
Has a 19-year-old male valid.
Can I get any lift on the road? Yeah, I'm trying to look in the center, see if we have something. There's something in here holding it. Yeah, can you see, like, in front of her chest area? Is there something in the center of the console? It's a metal. There was a black piece of plastic. It's going straight down towards the face. I wonder. Okay. I got another angle. The bottom of the desk.
Dispatch, Alameda Command. Another light plate would like to know if you want to set up on 2nd OV on the north end of Alameda Drive in the cul-de-sac. If they get to the mid-deck, there's some high trees in that area, but that would be...
What do you need?
Double checking the cups here. You got that seat collar? Still can't get lifted with that. Hey, are the seat frames hopefully back now? Electronic shoes in there? Try to grab some of the seats to look towards you. Maybe the whole seat is here, right? You can't lay her backwards, you can get her out that way. We're fucking moving. There's no power, Mark. We would have to hold the seat here. Yeah, I got you. We don't come down here at this point, force it. Get her out of here. The engine's still
Fry this up so we can do more of a purchase for it.
Life flight GTA on the first helicopter 5 to 10 minutes.
Zone set up.
Caitlin, I'm sorry. Subject to, Caitlin and Brad, we'll look at that.
That won't stick.
Here. We'll take a wedge, put a wedge in there.
44, you can get on that west foot. Wait. Yeah, keep it shut down. We're going to get a couple of choppers on the street.
Yeah, it's not the second time. We have two POAs on scene. Only one potential.
We haven't died yet.
What if we go the other way? What if we put the answer up here?
That's probably why they're
Go slow. Sorry. Hey, what if we do this?
Left shoulder, swing her towards her.
Yeah, I'll just get it up a little bit.
You got pinned anymore? No, stop. See if you can grab her shoulder, pull her towards you.
Attention, car 4.
Go for that 4.
The second light flight was canceled. The first one, ETA 5 minutes.
Okay, copy. 5 minutes.
Mackenzie, straighten this leg out for me. Left arm strength. Right arm strength. Okay. You guys got something behind you? Put that on.
What do you want? Just slightly.
Coming on.
Yep. I need some pillows. We're gonna slide it right out, dude. We're coming out, guys. We're going out. We're going out, Mackenzie.
That
was what I was looking for.
I know
stuff first. You want to get back for us? That's all I got. Someone get inside here.
6:45.
Okay, 21's gonna go. And 31's gonna go.
This way, head this way. Watch your step, watch your step.
I copy. 2131. They said that there are squares in the house are locked up. And that the female's classic Colorado sleeping. She's rambling, not making sense.
It's underneath his eye.
What's your name, dear?
Ready? Needs information, correct? That's our driver.
Gentlemen, you're going to take her to Metro? Take her to Metro, obviously? Yeah. Gotcha. Thanks. She's the only one who can do it. The other guy will go tell you.
Mackenzie, how old are you? Right now. Ready, guys? Here. We got our blue bag right there.
You got it?
Legs are fine. Lieutenant Meyer.
All right.
I'm good.
He was in the front seat.
Nice.
Steve.
Yeah. He was in the front seat?
He was front passenger.
Okay.
He was?
Dispatch, Square 4. Lakeside advising they're coming ATAC 92 to Lake David.
Copy that. The clock on that telephone. How much longer on that driver being executed?
Yeah.
He's definitely DOA.
He's DOA. Let me.
Do we leave him in or we pull him out?
Let me ask. It's my third week. Sarge, you want him out or leave him? They're asking since DOA, so they
Yeah.
want out or just leave them.
We can leave them in there because I'm going to call that meeting. Yeah, I'll call it. So we can go right here. We'll all be there. Chopper already land? Okay, go lock it up.
I think it's like.
Have you guys called me?
Alright.
Pardon me, guys.
Yeah.
Did you guys pull a bunch of stuff out of the trunk, or do we have a fourth that ran away?
No, that stuff was already out back there. I moved it back in that area.
Look, set up.
No, this stuff back here, I put. We
took it out?
Yeah, we took.
Okay.
No, that was already out.
That was out.
It was out all over. It was debris all over. We were looking for ID. Yeah.
It wasn't. It looks organized.
Yeah. No, sorry. No, it's. We were looking for ID, so we just threw it, took it back there to see if we can find anything.
57 people over.
How's it going? Good. When have you been over here? It's my third week. Imagine. It's actually my second but third week, first day.
Congrats.
So, thanks. How you liking it?
I love it.
How long have you been working?
A little over a year.
Okay. Are you EMT or just fire?
Fire and medic.
Radio 31. 21 1.
I'm gonna call the coroner myself.
Okay.
We can have a tow truck that takes the car and more set to mark the tires if he isn't here. They taking one or two?
One.
When they come here, what are we doing? What is the second five? Hey, that
We'll find out. Two. Two.
Copy that. George landing. Hey, it's Velocity from Strongsville, badge 7157. Yeah, I got two vehicular crash in Strongsville. What time was the first one called? You guys know?
We can ask
Did you guys take them? Put the monitor on them?
No, that was grass
Medic 1 still here? I think they're in the back of Medic 4.
Fucking hell.
Alright, John Flanagan. Spell it for you. David Adam Ida. Last name Flanagan. Frank Lincoln Adam. Nick Adam. George Adam Nick.
908-836.
No, this is chaotic. 11,
We got 47-year-old female from that address, valid and clear. Try 7.
Please read out loud. Deviant social, please.
Where's that? Huh? Yeah, where was it at? Oh, on her. On her? There's drugs and that in the back. Or, like a grinder and all that in the bag. He has one, Mike Glossy, right here.
We have 2 out of 3. I need the third one. All we know is his first name is Jacob.
These local kids?
It's hard to tell. She's getting worked with too much. Okay. They're taking her life flight right now.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just getting this verbally from the third?
Yeah, it's such a mess. It's hard to get IDs.
We got her ID and DOA in here. And I think he has both of them.
We have a third.
But I don't think we have got the third one yet. Yes.
Jacob, that's all I got.
the other,
34.
the person, the other male,
Right.
all his name is Jacob. Black male, is that correct?
Go ahead.
Not yet. We called once. I think one's coming in an hour. Well, you got anything going on today?
Nope. Sleep.
we're ready for ME to come, right, to remove the body, correct? Yeah. Yes, we're ready.
Do we have a positive ID on any from other than just the verbal from that patient?
We
were able to find
the ID's
that
back,
guy.
yeah.
Yeah, he's got an ID. Davey and the other each has an ID. This guy, all we know is his name's Jacob, nothing else.
Do we have was it a driver's license?
Yes.
I think so.
Yes.
Who has that?
EMS has it back in the vehicle again.
Yeah.
And then the driver's ID, I don't know.
Okay. Vehicle, but front passenger seat. Yeah, we'll find out. I hope. End our shift. No. Alcoholic drugs in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Yes.
What?
Yeah, drugs. What type of drugs?
Mushrooms.
Yeah, marijuana,
weed.
mushrooms. Marijuana and mushrooms. Alcohol cocktails.
There are also grinders in that bag.
Not that we can see. Yeah, my sergeant in front. We're ready. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks so much. And this is going to be for two. All right, call me for the All right. Then Jabor asked if we move the car before he gets here. If that's break it. All right. No, you guys are good. Yeah, yeah. And then I want some more photos taken now with once the SFP guys get out of here. Yeah. We'll take more photos of this. And then photos done. You guys got a bunch of money in here.
Yeah. You didn't find it. Yeah, we're good. I knew that.
Hey, Mark, just so you know, I think one took ours. That's okay. It's something got one. Frozen. Yeah. Alright, this is going to be another issue with yeah. Or was. I mean, not like in the past tense, but like graduated.
Couldn't find anything.
60.
Oh. No.
I have double winner of the building on my line. Are we just notifying them of the accident, or do you need them to respond to scene?
I believe 21 already spoke with them. Yeah, just notify, they can come later and take care of it if they have some structural issues.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good. I've seen. I doubt it. I couldn't find ID in here. Only like drugs and.
Just a minute.
You alright? Sucks.
Stay on. We have an investigator.
Hey, this, you guys, trauma kit?
We're gonna take more photos of it.
I'm not sure who's
Sorry.
Emmy here, then we'll clear and head down to the outdoor and probably talk to her. We have, yeah, 2, and then Jack gets them.
Do you guys have any idea what time this happened?
No. The
Sure.
interior is still warm, but it could have been a couple hours.
Nobody called us when you guys.
Somebody called us in that they saw the car up sitting here. This is an area we don't typically drive down in the middle of the night, so
Especially this dark and dense
yeah.
building.
So
Down there, I guess 72.
72.
Yeah.
Take a photo of that too.
On the right hand side of the.
Yeah.
21.
And then with the drugs and the alcohol, I want to do a
Michael Weasel, 50-year-old male from
an
that
OBI
address.
thing too,
down
just
there.
full blood on her. She's 17, but very worst case scenario, we could also just subpoena the blood records later. So.
Right. Do you want any evidence with this stuff back here? There's money, there's a grinder, there's a
Yeah,
weed.
definitely.
Right here.
Our guy was not going to pull out, but he still had a
Front, side, back, side,
Yeah, 360
impact.
approach.
I'm gonna start over here. I'm gonna get what I want.
All right. Huh? He's going to take photos that he wants from coming in. And then he's going to give me the camera and take a 360 and impact. So.
I'm gonna have day shift guys come down here eventually, and then they can take over here in a little while, and then you guys can go downtown eventually.
All right. This would be hard to see at nighttime.
Yeah, it's dark over here, so even if you did drive by, I doubt
You probably see
that
the sign.
That sign would
Probably give it a little
be
away.
noticeable. I don't drive down here every night, but if I do, I would have noticed that sign.
Yes.
And
You would.
if they would have missed that sign, it's so dark over here.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows if you even see it.
Usually up trying to check to make sure no one's getting their cars stolen and stuff like that.
Yeah, there's hardly any business open down here.
Unless the traffic stop, really. Yep. All that debris on the over there. They smacked it. The light over there on the.
Trying to find, see if maybe a wall will blow out.
Yeah, I couldn't find anything.
Got the photos I wanted. One more here. Hang on. Look at the yaw. You can see the yaw way back there.
Right.
Going off the road and it's right in the rim. The yaw in the rim.
Yeah.
You hit the curve. Now obviously you see the lane of travel, right?
Right through here.
Right through here. Speeding bullet. Now when she hit, it's probably around 72, but yeah, maybe probably faster than that to hit the curve. Oh yeah.
I mean, to clean this out too.
I could do preliminary measurements. I'm not an expert. Stay with me, bud.
I am.
We've been doing this job for a pretty long time. This is the worst crash I've ever had.
It is. I am shocked she got this.
I have to go metro. I'll fucking lose.
No, he said it was. He said he wanted. No.
Cool, that's fine by me.
I'm okay with it.
Her? Just that cat, yeah.
See if I can find a picture of that on Instagram or something.
Where's her address? Do you know? I mean, oh, Mackenzie. Oh, I was just curious. I think I've dealt with her.
Unless we start moving like this kind of stuff, that's the only time if his wallet's down underneath here.
Mike, I wanted that, what, the bag, all that, backpack, take that.
Yeah.
I put that cell phone up against the backpack. They got weed in there, cash. So these guys are probably selling dope.
She had a scale and strings on her person.
Yeah.
Yes.
So,
That's a point of overwhelming.
Sure.
well, break it down. I'm focused on the crash. We'll break it down into segments. Yeah. And we can divvy up jobs if we have to. Property would be helpful, so do property. Yeah. You're not going to do this all yourself. Can you stay over for a while?
Yes. I'm here.
And help out with like property maybe? And then that would help. And Burning was willing to stay over, so, and he might stay over to cover Day Shift Road because you were going to cover Day Shift Road. Yeah, you're right. And then I have to go to Metro. You can go to Metro because you're doing the investigation. So I would like you to go there, see if you can talk to her. Yes. And see if you can get blood from her, even if it's after the 3-hour period. Yeah. I need a cheat sheet on that. Yeah, I'll grab you a kit and show you how to do that. Yeah.
We probably have Instagram, so we might be in a picture with them.
Yes. She did.
Yeah, with I got in there. I got some over here. So I'm gonna make sure I get the license plate. Yeah. Oh, I'm just gonna license plate.
Do you need photos of any of that stuff in there? It's in the pocket right here.
Pretty close, don't take them out.
Lots of cash.
Yeah,
Tons of cash.
You guys said that the driver had mushrooms on it?
Yeah, mushrooms and
Just
scale.
open up that portion and just come down here and provide another road watch in that cul-de-sac area. And we can leave the rest of the road open up.
You want
Like Don.
Oh, and there's
Throw them back in there.
there's this grinder too, or
Just leave them. Just honestly, this is a property issue.
all right.
Let's get a quick picture of
I was just watching like case law videos and brush up on stuff.
Should we check underneath here, maybe? It flipped too. Here, they're like, get it that way. There's a huge chunk of this on the bottom.
So once they're in the has them.
Stay on, you said? You guys can turn it off.